Alright, so in this lesson, we are gonna see what is the first and last case report time of the coronavirus. So let's go ahead and get the first date. Okay, so when the first day, first report of the coronavirus made in particular country. So we can get that with FRST underscore date, that's the first date. Then we have their DF. I'm gonna put their confirmed cases. Alright, greater than 0, that's mean when your first case occurred. And then I'm gonna put their first date is equal to a first date dot group by. Alright, so there we have country, and then we had date. Then we are gonna create here aggregated values. Alright, and then we are gonna reset the index. So with this, what happened, you can see there. Sorry, I think something is wrong somewhere. Let me see where it is wrong. It says that there is no key error. I mean, there is no key country. I think yes, it's wrong here. Alright, so with this you get their minimum date. So these are the dates when the first cases reported in these countries. So there are 185 countries in which these cases are reported, at least one. Alright, so there is first date, and then after that we are gonna take the last date when the cases are reported in the particular countries. So the last underscore date is equal to df dot group by, and then we are gonna put their country and then date, and then we have their country date. So it is going to first group with country and date wise, and then finally I'm gonna take the confirmed cases and the deaths as well I'm gonna take, and then recovered cases, and then finally we have here last date. So with this, you see we have got their pandas group. Then last date is equal to last date dot sum, and then I'm gonna create here difference there, and dot reset index. Why difference? I'll tell you. See, just a second. Let's say if a confirmed cases is same for a 2 consecutive day. In that case, that's mean there is no new case appear for that particular country. So if we take a difference of those confirmed cases from 2 consecutive day, then in that case, if confirmed cases are same, then what happens? Then it will be a 0. That's mean there is no case reported to in that particular day. All right. Perfect. So the confirmed cases do not, confirmed cases kept increasing. Active cases might get, increase and decrease. Alright, so all these, whenever it says that the 0 confirmed cases, that's mean that is the last reported, alright, last reported day for that country. Alright, so we have got their last date. Now you see, we need to also make it for the aggregated values. Okay, so we are gonna first create here a mask. In this mask, we are gonna get the country shift actually. I mean, we are gonna shift it by 1 day, and then we will compare whether new cases occur or not. So mask is equal to last date and then country. All right. So this is not is equal to last date country dot shift 1. All right. So with this, what you get in the mask, you get the mask whether it's the true or false. All right, that's mean when the two consecutive days are there, and if there is country for that one, whether it's a true or the negative. That's when this says that you can make it something like this. So this says that in this last date data frame, take the country and shift it by 1 and then compare. If it is not equal to that one, then it's the true, and if there is a country, then it is a false. So in this way, we will reduce the total data set. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will continue this lesson.